Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm excited to share an easy no fuss recipe for incredibly soft dinner rolls. No mysteries or complex techniques, just a straightforward quick path to making fluffy irresistible rolls right in your kitchen. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In the mixing bowl of a stand mixer, combine the water, egg, flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and butter. Using the door hook attachment, mix the ingredients on low speed until a rough dough forms. It might look shaky at first. Once the dough comes together, increase the speed to medium-low and knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it becomes smooth and elastic. This longer kneading time helps develop the gluten, compensating for adding all the flour at once. Once the dough is properly kneaded and has a smooth texture, we're gonna remove it from the bowl. Next, remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a round ball. Next, grease the bowl. Then place the dough in a grease bowl, turning once to coat with the oil. Cover with a clean kitchen towel or a plastic wrap and let it ferment for 1 hour. After the fermentation, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then transfer it to a fondant mat for a few rounds of kneading. Who else slaps the dough, guys, when kneading? Let me know in the comments down below. Next, divide the dough into 12 equal portions. I shaped each piece into individual rolls. It's important to ensure uniform sizes to promote even baking, so I took care to divide and shape them consistently. You can also use a kitchen scale, guys, if you are dividing the dough into 12 pieces and want them to be relatively uniform in size. Each portion will weigh around 2 ounces or approximately 56 grams. I don't normally weigh my rolls, I just eyeball it. Shape the dough into dinner rolls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a greased baking pan. Cover the rolls with a clean kitchen towel and let them brew for a full 1 hour in a warm place. It's been 1 hour, the rolls are ready now. We're gonna bake the rolls in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. After 15 minutes, remove the rolls from the oven and immediately brush them with melted butter for a nice sheen and added flavor. It smells so good in here, guys. After finishing to brush them, we're gonna let the rolls cool on a wire rack before serving. These softer dinner rolls are characterized by their pillowy, cloud-like interior with a fine crumb structure. When you break one open, it reveals a soft, airy texture that's moist and tender. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There you have it, soft, pillowy dinner rolls. Let me go ahead and open one and show you guys what I'm talking about. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends and your family. Also, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my